So this is a cleaning service website that I made with AI without any knowledge of coding, also without being frustrated moving elements for 4 hours. So here I got a spotless space without lifting a finger, and this is kind of like the basic thing that you can build. You can do even more. Get in touch. Then I got right here the full range of cleaning to fit your life. What I do. Then also book now. We got reviews here. You can make it even that it's going to be on a loop. That's something that you can do. Then also the theme here. Then we have the values, and then we have get a free quote. Very simple, and also with the Instagram. Very simple. You can do way more if you want. I'm going to show you how you can build something like this. So let's start. So the first thing we have to do is that we're going to use a Claude design, and I'm using a Claude Pro account for this video. And we're not going to start prompting into Claude. What we have to do first is that you have to find on Google cleaning services template Webflow or Figma. Or you're going to write here Framer. You're going to find plenty of templates that you can choose from, and all you have to do is download it as a PNG, the website. That's it. Now in a moment when you're going to have it, I'm just going to insert it right here into it. So I got some template, and we have to write now the prompt. So the prompt is very simple. If I want to make me a cleaning service website, exactly this screenshot that I'm sending, I want a little bit of animation, ask me questions about design, animations, information that you need. Also, I want to be mobile friendly, more in bluish colors with content map in the bottom and social media feed from Instagram there too. So there you're gonna write about, let's say, what you do, what kind of thing you're offering. This is just a video how you can do it, but here you're gonna write, just like write it even complex, what are the things that you want. If you are going to have it multiple pages, go with model of Opus 4.8 and go with effort max. I'm going to go medium because this is going to be just a landing page. But if you want, you can even have multiple pages, but go with a more model which is going to be max, okay? Because so you can do a lot of stuff at the same time. Now I'm just going to send it, and it's going to ask me questions. So here I got a question. This is something you're going to also get. It's going to be different because of what you actually wrote in the prompt. So cleaning services landing page, a few questions. There you're going to find like plenty of questions that I just like answered. And that's pretty much it. Keep all the sections from the screenshot, and I can like drop the blog section. I don't want to have a blog there. And let's say going to click continue. Now it's going to make a website. So look at this. This is the website that it made. Doesn't look bad at all. We're gonna do a little bit of editing. So from quickly tidy ups to deep cleans. Then we have the things that it's going to do. Book now. Then we got the reviews here, how we work, the values, get a free quote. And then we're gonna ready for spotless space. So let's just do some editing here, and let's just change things. So we can do it multiple ways. You can either go to bottom left and start writing, or here you're gonna have comment on the top right where you can draw and get a comment there. Or what you can do is that you can also click edit, where you are going to click on things. You can edit the text by yourself. Now we're gonna do multiple things here. So also always duplicate the project before you're going to make any big changes, all right? So here I'm just going to write first point, and I'm going to write here, I want header, in header, some image on the right, or no, let's not do that. Let's just first change right here the services, our services. I want to make as tabs with pictures, okay? Thank you. Explain each thing. Then when we're gonna go further, have there the contact right here. We want to have get a free quote. So ready, get in touch is sending picture, and let's just click here. And now I'm just going to say to edit. So it's going to work right now on it, and then we're going to continue and how we can export the site and add it to our own website. Of course, like edit the things, change it for you. So the next step is that we are going to export the site to Hostinger, and how it works is that Right now we see that the changes has been made. Okay, also contact looks good here. You're gonna write here on the bottom left, export this site as index.html. And if you're gonna multiple pages, have like, okay, and other pages also as HTML. So I'm going to come here to Hostinger, click on a profile. And then the next thing, what we're gonna do is that we have to come to websites and we're gonna be on the dashboard. So click on the dashboard. And there, you're gonna have files, file manager, access to the files. And now we're just gonna wait. And then public HTML, delete everything that is there. And right there, it's going to give you the HTML file and you're gonna upload it here and it needs to be the index.html. That's it. All right, so we got the HTML here. I'm going to click download and we got it right here. Open it. And now I'm just going to paste it into the file. And look at that, I will just rename it. All right, rename. And now when I'm going to come to the file manager and to the websites and open the site, look at that, fully working. So this is how we're gonna do it, very simple and effective. And thank you very much for watching. Hope this video provided you value and have a great day and goodbye.